How to turn on or off the automatic brightness on any of the iPhone. It's a very simple and a quick process, so let's jump right into the video. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to the settings of your device. Once you are inside settings, scroll down and then move into display and brightness. This interface will appear on your screen. At the very top, you'll get to see the option where it says automatic. Right now you can see that this option is turned off. All you want to do is toggle on this button in order to enable automatic brightness. You can see that automatic brightness has been enabled successfully. Now in order to turn off, you simply have to toggle off this button and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can turn off or turn on automatic brightness in any iPhone. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.